So this is a mangrove, which you can see through here, and there's a boardwalk through it. I take it you haven't been here before.
No, I haven't.
Ah, okay. I'm thinking I might let the mosquitoes in now. Might keep the rain off, but... No, he's not dead. He's just sitting there. I don't know what he's doing, to tell you the truth. So, Levy Preserve's having an open house today, and I showed you part of it. There's tons to see, all different stuff. Like you heard, Sid didn't even see one of the things from all the times we've been here. So, if you come over today, there's an open house. If you are here at another time, stop in and take a look around. There's all kinds of things, plants, snake, spiders, fish, and we didn't even get to, right, there's a pond with turtles, so you would want to potentially stop and see the turtles there.